Wendy here from wendybottrell.com, and today our topic is learn how to make exercising a daily habit with these simple tips. And in my experience, I found that when I made health and fitness a good habit in my life, it was a game changer for me. The habits that I formed around exercising daily have helped me to feel better, I'm stronger, which is definitely important as we age. I have also reduced my weight over 150 pounds and have certainly improved my energy. So we know we're supposed to stay active because movement really does matter for a healthy and fit life. Yet how many of us have struggled with exercising daily as a habit, right? We know it, but we're not doing it. So what we know for sure, the numbers are staggering. Brendon Burchard wrote in his book, High Performers, that 2/3 of Americans are obese. 20% of Americans don't even have the minimum amount of aerobic or muscle strengthening activity recommended by the CDC. And 42% of American adults aren't even doing enough to manage stress. And stress is the ultimate energy and well-being killer. We know that for sure. When we exercise throughout the week, we build our bodies, keeping our energy levels high, which makes for added productivity in all the other areas of our life. Yet exercise is also good for us in many other ways. Exercise helps people to sleep better and keeps us generally healthier as we age. Exercise not only keeps your body in top form, but leads to better moods and overall mental health. So how do you make exercise a daily habit? Follow these simple tips and you'll be on the road to be building this healthy habit in no time. So make time each and every day. Being deliberate about when you exercise means that it's more likely to happen, even when life is busy. Also, it trains your body to begin to enjoy the exercise habit. Before long, you'll find yourself looking forward to your movement practice and the many health and well-being benefits that it offers. Use your smartphone. As you start to develop your daily exercise habit, you may want to set a reminder on your phone. So when it's time to exercise, you don't forget or put it off until it's too late in the day. Number 3, prepare yourself. This may sound obvious. However, by getting into the habit of putting your exercise clothes and gears out the night before, so that you can't use the excuse that you don't have time to get everything together. Keep your exercise bag near the front door and ready to go. Just leave when you're ready. Is it time to go yet? Don't overthink it. Just go whenever you feel like it or not. Your body will click into gear once you get started. And this is a habit that I realized and do use regularly. Sometimes I just don't feel like going out for a walk in the morning. And yet each and every day, I do go out for a walk and I do enjoy it. And it's very simple. I begin by having the alarm go off in my calendar that I'm supposed to go out for a walk. I then begin to mentally prepare. I put my shoes on. I strap my phone on. I put on the airplane mode. And I strap it on so I'm counting my steps. And ultimately, then I just get out the door. And once I'm out the door, every day I go a different direction. One day left, one day right. And that's how I just use this idea of just leave when you're ready. And I just get going. And sometimes I'm not in tune with my appointment time, but I get going anyways. So number 5 is take baby steps. By starting small, you won't overwhelm yourself or worse, do damage to your body that you're maybe not ready for that particular workout. You can always increase your times, your reps, your steps later when you become fitter. You've heard the quote, inch by inch, life's a cinch. Yard by yard, life's hard. That's by John Bythway. And that's really what we're talking here in this particular idea, is do it a little bit at a time, but do it consistently. Keep it fun and interesting. You know, this is an important idea to keep in mind. Nothing screams boredom more than the same routine day in and day out. Mix it up. Mix up what you're doing, run a new routine, change up your workout, adding new types of exercises. Also make sure that you're working out all different types of muscles as well. So you want overall workouts, make it fun, make it interesting. Take a break occasionally. As you build up your new healthy habit, you don't want to skip days. You want that consistency to be key. However, it is good to have an occasional lighter exercise day when you're really recently upped your game, or when you're not feeling well, maybe a little tired. And this is just really about knowing how you're feeling, track everything you're doing so you know if you're increasing intensity or distance, and make the adjustments as you're going. Once you make exercise a daily habit, you'll come to look forward to it. You won't even think about it, you'll just do it. With so much benefit, it's obvious that keeping a daily exercise habit is essential to a happier and healthy you. So do you have a daily exercise habit? We'd love to hear your ideas. Any daily exercises you do, your comments, questions, put those below. If you're not in the habit of daily exercise and would like to begin a home workout program, we recommend the Home Workout Revolution, because it includes a great beginner program with all follow-along videos. And I'll share the link to that in the show notes. And this Home Workout Revolution, it has been in our fitness toolkit for a long time, and we do use it on a fairly regular basis, just as a quick workout, something different. We highly recommend it. So we'd appreciate hearing from you. Share any ideas, questions, comments below, and be sure to get in touch with us and let us know how we can help you. Like and share if you found value here today. We'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel. We do want to thank you for being here today. My name's Wendy Bottrell. WendyBottrell.com is where you can find out more about us. Thanks. Bye for now.